Bore da. Okay. YouTube. Signing in to Facebook. Okay. Hanner tymor. Joio mas draw. Thank you for joining us in the half term. Gobeithio pawb yn iawn. Ffit Yn 5, dydd llun. 5 gweithgaredd, 5 exercises. I'll run through them quickly now, and then we'll do our warm-up, a wedyn cwlo lawr ar ôl. Job done. Great way to start the week. Just so pawb yn gwybod, fi di rhedeg mas o ffrindiau. I've run out of friends, so I've got my plant. Pawb yn gallu weld. Cactus. Okay, it's a cactus. Spike. Because it's a cactus. Okay. 5 gweithgaredd, okay? 5 exercises. Yr un cyntaf yw Mr Miyagi fi'n galw e. Mr Miyagi. If anybody's seen the film, okay, Karate Kid, ni'n mynd i sefyll na. Ni'n mynd i symud trad ni. Ond hefyd, brechau mas, okay? A ni'n mynd i wneud cilchau. So fel ti'n rhoi high five i rhywun, we're going to do circles, okay? Un ffordd am 30 eiliad, a wedyn ni'n mynd i cael break yn hanner ffordd trwyddo, and then we'll go the other way. Gweithio chest a cefn sgwyddo fyd, okay? Nesa, out, out, in. This is going to get the brain working, okay? So ni'n mynd i wneud mas, mas, mewn, mewn, okay? I'll go slowly eto. Mas, mas, mewn, mewn. Outside, outside, inside, inside. But we're going to do it quicker. So out, out, in. Out, out, in. Yes, Marvin Garland, but it's getting your brain thinking, okay? So as soon as you get into a bach o rhythm, okay? When you get into a rhythm, we'll be fine. Bach o gweithgaredd, American football. Ti'n pan nhw'n chwarae in the USA. Pan nhw'n twymo lan, when they're warming up, fast feet, trad gyflym, dwylo mas, a wedyn ar ôl 3 neu 4 eiliad, fi'n mynd i gweddi mas, lawr. After 3 or 4 seconds, I'm going to shout down, drop to the floor. Lan eto fel burpee bach, a ni'n cario ymlaen. Okay, lawr. We're going to go down, back up, quick feet. Okay. Balance a bach o touch i'r llawr os ni'n gallu bach o cydbwysau. One leg. And slow it down. Go as far as you can. Hips. And all lan. We can make it harder and easier, okay? Ond we're going to keep our leg as straight as possible. Bend at the hips. Okay? Hips are turning. And that'll do. And all lan. Okay? Bach o cydbwysau. Ond mae'n gweithio'r coesau fyd. I benni to finish, ni'n mynd i wneud ankle touches, okay? Touch your fair. Pan wych chi weld, yeah? Fi'n mynd i gorfod lawr, pengluniau lan. A ni'n just mynd i symud ochr i ochr. Try and touch your ankles. Or if it's too hard, move them closer. If it's too easy, go further away. Okay? Gweithio'r obliques. Hanabola. Pawb yn hapus. Gobeithio gweld pawb gyda dŵr, because I've just done that. I'm sweating already. Okay. Fi'n mynd i rhoi bach o cardio on, because that's what we're doing. Okay, twymo lan. Okay. Ni'n mynd i wneud bach o tennis, achos mae Australia Open Australia arno nawr, lawr yn Australia. Okay, so pawb i symud ar y swatyn. Nath Steve wneud cwpl o drills, cwpl o thnosau yn ôl. Mae'n really good, okay? Fel ti'n rhoi high five os mae ti'n mynd heibio rhywun yn ysgol, like when you used to go past someone, give them a high five, just fel na. Okay, just mas. High five. A wedyn, okay, mynd i slow it lawr. Fel un knock o'r pêl nôl. 1. Ochr arall, other side. 2. 3. 4, good. 5, 6. Cofia nawr os ni'n ddim fel un, it's just going to go flat. Low to high. Low to high. Bit quicker. Low to high. low to high. Da iawn. Cadw fynd. Warming up the shoulders, sgwyddau. Break and symud, good. A stop, da iawn. Tro nesa, ni'n neud y bach o serve. So, yn lle mynd ochr, braich yn dod lan, a ni'n serve lawr, okay? So imagine there's a ball. We're going to move on our feet, down. We're going to go up, down. If anybody's done archery, ti'n mynd i draw lawr, bang, okay? Off yn ni. Lol, lawr. Other arm. Nôl, lawr. Nôl a lawr. Good. Da iawn. Like you're swatting a fly. Yeah. Okay. Ooh. Bach o pŵer. Good. Good boy. Os ti moyn neud bach o grunt fyd fel nhw'n neud yn tennis, nhw'n neud big serve, okay? Hoopa! Yeah, good. Two more each side. Yeah. Last ones. Yeah, good. Okay. Nawr, ni'n mynd lan at y net. So dechrau nôl, we've got to get 1, 2 big steps, that's all we need, okay? Ni'n mynd lan, a ni'n chwarae shot just bach dros y net, okay? Run up to the net, just a little one, good. A nôl, un bach, good. Plug i pengliniau, drop shot, good. Just a little one over the net. Drop, good. Cadw, coes yn symud, good. Break yn symud, lan, plug i pengliniau, bend your knees, a nôl. Couple more. Last one. Good. Da iawn. Os unrhyw un angen bach o dŵr, have a little sip of water. Okay. Everybody get ready. We're going to go for the Mr. Miyagi. So cofia, cyn mynd dechrau preso'r bwtwn, Mr. Miyagi, yn mynd i sefyll, like a quick walk, cilche. 30 seconds, okay? Pawb barod, Mr. Miyagi. Okay, cedr osmo. Cilche, good. Only stay this way for 30 seconds, 30 eiliad fel hyn. Os ti moyn, ti'n gallu teimlo'r muscles gweithio. A Kevin fyd, keep going. If you think you want to do a little bit quicker, fine, but don't go floppy, okay? Just keep everything solid. Da iawn. Tro nesa, I was going out, now I'm coming in, okay? Eto, dim ond just twymo popeth lan, getting everything ready, because we're done, a couple of things gyflym dod lan, so nice one is to get the body ready. 3, 2, mewn. Cadw trad symud, keep your feet moving. Wax on, wax off. Good. Cadw yn adlu, keep breathing through your nose, out through your mouth. If you want to do them bigger, it's fine. Or if you want to do them smaller, plan I chi, up to you. Good. Yr un nesa, out, out, in. Okay? So out, out, in. You can see my hips. This one's dodgy. Oh. Okay? So, ni'n mynd i neud eitha gyflym. Out, out, in. Okay? So, os ti angen ymarfer, cael bach o ymarfer mewn, 10 eiliad cyn i dechrau. Rhythm. It's all about getting into the rhythm, okay? Feel the rhythm. Feel the ride. Off yn out, out, in. Slow fe lawr os ti angen. If you need to do it like this, that's fine. Out, out, in. Talk to yourself, it helps. Gets that brain working in half turn. Da iawn, Caravan. Oh, this is a long one. Woo. So tro na is the right, left. I'm going to mix it up. I'm going to go left, right, just to see if my brain can handle it. Dig eiliad. Left, start with the left, Steph. Okay, Steph. Good boy, Steph. Left, right. Ooh, this is tough. Did not think this would be as tough as it is. Good. Hanner tymor, gweithio galed, mae'n enjoyo y diwrnod. Left, right, in. Good, Caravan, go on in. Ooh. Okay, another hard one, get a bit of water if you need it. Trad gyflym, hands up, then we're going to drop to the floor, no lan fel burpee, a carry ymlaen. When I shout, lawr, okay, that's when we go down to the floor. So keep doing this until you hear me go, lawr. Should have had water, regretting it. Okay, try gyflym, lawr. Oh, this is a burner. Lawr. Quick feet, come on in. Lawr. Should have played American football, boys. Lawr. Quick feet, come on. Woo. Oh, boys back. Come on, spike. Ooh. Fancy roll, pimp. Quick feet, loud. Loud. Ooh. Quick feet, loud. 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 Come on in. Loud. Oh, loud. Ah, yeah. Slow the loud. Ni'n mynd i bach o cydbwysedd, bach o balance, bach o gweithio'r coes. The neighbours are walking past, looking in, meddwl, beth sy'n mynd mlaen? Oh, okay, cofia. Slow the breathing down. One leg, where you can have a little stretch, balance. If you can't touch the floor, don't touch the floor. Okay, get the balance, coes chwith I fi. Left hand, just mas and all lan. I'll go this way so I don't kick the chair. Left, stick to your left leg, and lan. Balance. Oh, nearly had the floor. O'i eiliad, balance nôl. Oh, wobble. Because we're standing on the one leg, achos ni'n sefyll ar un coes, it's getting harder. You can see me wobble there. But that's fine, okay? Slow it out, take your time. Pimp eiliad, change leg. Right leg I fi. Okay, balance. My head is near the lamp. Loud. Right hand. Get the balance first, Steph. Loud. Keep the leg straight as you can, but don't lock it out. Have a little bend. Loud, balance. Keep bwysau. Oh, touch the floor. I can do it with this one. I need to work on my left. Fi angen gweithio'r coes chwith. Okay. Da iawn. Okay, ankle touches now. Snell I weld. Okay. Pengliniau lan, knees up. Bring your feet comfortable distance. And just going to need touches back. Core is working, okay? Shoulders off the floor, squeeze off the llawr. And just mynd ochr I ochr. Oh, okay. Bawn barod. Good. Gweithio'r core. So ni ddim yn cwmpo droso. Well done. Side to side. Touch your heel. If it's too easy, move your feet further apart. And go a little bit further. If it's too hard, bring them in. Good. Oh! Deceivingly tough, oes bach. 15, okay? Cofia, and just rocking from the side to the side, nice and slow. If you can go quicker, lan I chi, but keep it smooth, don't jerk, okay? Nice and easy, good. A wedyn bydd ni'n gwneud cool lawr, okay? So just keep going. Little touches to the back of your foot. Cefn trad. Da iawn. O, yn y llosgi nawr. Da iawn. Pawb I cael sip o dŵr. Everyone have a sip of water. I definitely need it. Da iawn chi. A wedyn ni dechrau cool lawr. Okay, mewn eich lle, in your space, just walk. In trwy troen, mewn trwy troen, mas trwy'r ceg. Shiglo popeth mas, shake your legs. Shiglo breichio mas. Just meddwl nawr beth chi'n mynd I wneud heddi. Rhywbeth neis, mynd am wac, coginio rhywbeth, gwaith catre. Falle ddim, who knows. Okay, stretch off nawr. Ath I gweithio'r ysgwyddi eitha bach, so ni'n mynd I roll on nhw, okay? So come a little bit closer. Relax, shoulders mynd lan, and nôl. That's one. And you need 5 o rhain. Lan a nôl. Nice and slow. Don't rush it. 3, 4, 5, a wedyn we're going to go 5 forwards. Nice and slow. Cool o lawr. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, da iawn. Dal at rhywbeth, ni'n mynd quad stretch. Left hand, left foot. Okay, just dal o fe. Hold on. Not going to hold spike. That would be a very silly idea. Cadw balance. Os ti angen dal o rhywbeth, mae hwnna'n fine. Swap o droso, swap over, right to right. Da iawn. Cadw yn adlith, trwy'r troen. Mas trwy'r ceg. Okay. And now ni'n mynd I wneud invisible press-ups, okay? Ath ni'n gweithio bach ar chest, okay? So just mynd I invisible press-up. Nôl, nice and slow. Right nôl. 3, cadw yn adlu. 4, 5. Okay. Shake your cross there, shake your right leg out. Shake your left leg out. In, out, nah. Okay, right arm. Shiggle of a mass. Left arm. Bring your hands together. Job done. Da iawn pawb. Mwynhau'r wythnos. Bydd y tîm nôl fori I wneud sesiwn hanner awr I 9. Byddai'n nôl dydd Iau. Mae'r haul wedi dod mas. So os mae'r siawns gyda chi, cer mas I gael bach o awyr iach. It's been very cold. Lovely time. Get some fresh air. Brilliant. Diolch pawb. Ta-ra.